When I needed surgery for my A-Fib, my doctor sent me down to Luminis to see Dr. Dawood.
Atrial fibrillation is an abnormal heart rhythm in which the upper chamber of the heart beats irregularly. It makes the heart work inefficiently. Mr. Bowen had these symptoms for several years, and it was causing him to have significant symptoms of fatigue and loss of energy. He was an ideal candidate for this because he had not had previous ablations, and approaching this with a hybrid approach would have offered him a curative approach with minimally invasive techniques.
From the time I walked into Dr. Dawood's office, every person that I dealt with from the time I walked in to the time I left the hospital went above and beyond. They were courteous, kind, and very knowledgeable.
Mr. Bowen's case is quite common. Typically, patients that have had atrial fibrillation, they have failed multiple treatments. This offers patients a quality of life improvement through minimally invasive approaches. If you or someone you know needs heart surgery, please visit luminis.health/heart surgery to make an appointment with our team.